This video provides a brief instruction set for the installation of the PT100LC load cell transmitter. The first wires we connect are the load cell inputs. These go into the top 5 ports on the left-hand side. The first input we have is negative excitation. Generally, this is the black wire from the load cell. Insert it into the port and twist the screw clockwise to tighten. Ensure it is nice and tight. The second input is the positive excitation. This is generally the red wire. Do the same for this. The third input is the shield. The fourth input is the negative signal, which is usually the white wire. And the last load cell input is the positive signal, which is often the green wire. Ensure all wires are tight once complete. The second connection we're going to make is the output. In this case, we're using a multimeter. Generically, black is the negative and red is the positive. These go into the output ports on the bottom right hand corner. To ensure that the ports are open, screw anti-clockwise. Connecting the red into the positive. Turning clockwise to lock. Ensure nice and tight. And insert black into the negative. Turning clockwise to lock. Again, ensure tight. The last connections we need to make are the power supply. Here we have brown and blue. Brown, which is for positive, and blue for negative. These are often also red and black. Insert the brown into the positive and twist clockwise to lock. Insert the blue into the negative and screw clockwise to lock. The load cell transmitter is now fully connected.